MIS is Marketing Information System. MIS helps to store the data, opinions, views, guidelines, policies in a one centralized place. So basically here we are making use of software and hardware to store our data which are collected by the marketer from the market. Now market is full of customers, full of competitors, the different agencies are operating in the market. The all market informations, the information related to these parties are collected and stored under one centralized place with the help of your computer is known as MIS. We also have within the organization the another information system called with the name Human Resource Information System, which is specifically store the data about the human resource operating within the organization, like their age, like their gender, like their experience of work, etc., are being stored under one centralized place known with the name Human Resource Information System. Similarly, student, we will learn about MIS today. MIS is storing of data related to market in one centralized unified place known with the name MIS. Now, whenever marketer felt a need to have a data in order to make a decision, so he can dig out anytime this information from MIS and can take decision accordingly. Now, student, we will move towards the definition of Philip Kotler. Philip Kotler says MIS consists of people, equipment, and procedures to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute needed, timely, and accurate information to marketing decision makers. As I've said you, it consists of people, equipment, procedures which help to sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute these accurate, timely information to marketing decision makers, as per Philip Kotler. Now we will see its features of MIS. First features is systematic process, as it involves many steps. So it is a systematic process. Systematic process means whatever data you have collected need to be sort, classified, and analyzed. And whenever it is needed by the decision maker can dig out the information from MIS system. So it's a process. It's a process of gathering of data, sorting, classification, analyzing, and supplying of data to the decision makers. So it is called as systematic process. Second one is professional approach. Professional approach means in order to make MIS, the organization select the suitable candidate in order to collect the information from the market. So that candidate need to be selected, need to be trained, and need to be motivated. So these are the concepts related to professional approach. Next one is continuous in nature. Continuous in nature says MIS need to be collected, the information need to be collected on a continuous basis. It should not be one time process. It should be continuous ongoing process. This is because the environmental factors are changing. So changing factors need to be upgraded with your MIS system. Yes. Now we will move towards components of MIS. The first component of MIS makes internal record. Internal record. Now, internal records are record which are available with the organization. The first data that I can store in MIS is my own data. My own data means internal records, like records related to sales, record related to debtors, creditors, cash flow, etc. makes my internal record. Secondly, the second component of MIS can be the marketing intelligence system. Intelligence system is a system that I have developed purposefully in order to explore the opportunity and to come up with marketing strategies. Now, intelligence system basically focused on the gathering of information pertaining to customers and competitors. This is because through digging out these information, the organization can know the market opportunities, and accordingly they can make the market strategies. Next component of MIS is marketing research. Marketing research is basically undertaken to solve market related problems. The market related problems can be solved by gathering of information. So again here the information are gathered in order to solve any problem. So that gathered information I can store under MIS. Next one is marketing decision support system. Here support system means whatever tools you are using like hardware and software. This will make your decision support system. Hardware and software will help me by providing statistical tool to come up with the decision related to marketing. So this is all about marketing decision support system. So we have done with components of MIS, which consist of internal records, marketing intelligence systems, marketing research, marketing decision support system. Now fifth main feature of MIS is unified and centralized system. As I have told you earlier, MIS is basically storing of information related to market at a centralized place with the help of hardware and software. Yes, so basically it's a storing of information at one place. Whoever needs it can dig out those information. Next one is use of latest techniques. Here MIS enables the organization to make use of latest techniques like computers, like microfilms, etc. All these are stored at central place and supplied to the marketer who is going to take market related decision. Next one is cost effective information. Cost effective information means it facilitates the collection of only relevant information. Yes, all irrelevant informations are discarded from the system. So whatever are relevant are stored, and it gives the benefit to the organization by way of more benefit and with the less cost. Next one is decision making. MIS helps the marketer to take market related decision like product designing, like pricing to the product, like promotion of the product, like distribution of the product. So marketing mix decision can be taken with the help of MIS. Next one is ensure regular supply of information. As environmental factors are always changing, so here MIS need to be upgraded on a timely basis. So MIS ensures the regular supply of information to marketing decision makers. Next one is future oriented. It is not only done for the present solving of problem, but also it will help to solve the future problems. So whenever problems arises in future, the MIS will help to supply the data and to solve the future related problems. Once again, recap quickly. Features of MIS is systematic process. It involves the process like gathering, sorting, classifying, analyzing of data. So it's a process. Next one is professional approach. It requires the selection of the right candidate, training to him, and giving motivation. So it's a professional approach. Third one is continuous in nature. MIS ensures the continuous storing of data and continuous supplying of data. So it's a continuous in nature. Component of MIS is what? There are 4 components of MIS: internal record, marketing intelligence system, marketing research, marketing decision support system. Fifth one is unified and centralized system. MIS enables the storing of information at centralized and unified place. And whoever needs it can dig out the information, can mine the information whenever they need, and it is required for taking any marketing decision. Next one is latest techniques. MIS make use of latest techniques like computers, microfilms, etc. Next one is cost effective. It gives more benefit over the expenditure incurred for the collection of data. So it is cost effective. Decision making. MIS enables to take decision. It can be decision related to product designing, it can be related to pricing decision, it can be promotion, it can be distribution. Next one is regular supply of information. MIS ensures the regular supply of information to marketing decision makers related to market information. Next one, future oriented. The data collected presently will help to solve the problem related to future. So MIS is future oriented. Thank you, student. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.